Welcome to this week's edition of Neuroscience Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs, brought to you by LucidQuest. Roche has reported 2-year disease suppression data for its Bruton's tyrosine kinase inhibitor, fenebrutinib, in multiple sclerosis. Over 96 weeks, patients experienced no disability progression and virtually no new brain lesions. The annual relapse rate was just 0.06. The data come from a Phase 2 trial, while 3 Phase 3 trials remain ongoing. Readouts are expected by the end of 2025. Cartesian Therapeutics has initiated a Phase 3 trial for its CAR-T therapy in Myasthenia gravis. Descartes-08, a BCMA-targeting CAR-T, is administered without the need for preconditioning chemotherapy. Phase 2b data demonstrated durable responses at 12 months. The Aurora Phase 3 study will evaluate efficacy in 100 patients. XellSmart has received FDA and Chinese IND clearance for its iPSC-derived allogeneic cell therapies targeting CNS diseases, including Parkinson's disease, spinal cord injury, and amyotrophic lateral sclerosis. Early Parkinson's trials in China showed signs of clinical improvement with no significant safety concerns. These therapies are derived from induced pluripotent stem cells and are designed to be off-the-shelf solutions. Reviva Pharmaceuticals has announced positive 1-year data for Brilaroxazine in schizophrenia. The once-daily treatment showed sustained improvement across all symptom domains, with evidence pointing to anti-inflammatory effects contributing to outcomes. The therapy demonstrated low discontinuation rates and a mild side effect profile. uniQure is advancing its gene therapy programs for Huntington's disease and epilepsy toward regulatory milestones. For Huntington's, the FDA has agreed to an accelerated approval pathway for AMT-130, with a biologics license application submission anticipated in the first quarter of 2026. Efficacy will be assessed using the cUHDRS metric, supported by external control data from the Enroll-HD registry. For epilepsy, an early case study of AMT-260 showed a 92% reduction in seizures over 5 months with no serious adverse events reported. Both programs underscore uniQure's deepening commitment to tackling neurological diseases with gene therapy. Capsida Biotherapeutics has received FDA Fast Track designation for CAP002, a first-in-class intravenous gene therapy designed for STXBP1-related developmental and epileptic encephalopathy. The company has obtained IND clearance and is launching the SINGRI Phase 1/2a trial. Fast Track designation allows for more frequent interaction with the FDA and may lead to a rolling review. Researchers have developed a novel 3D brain leukemia model to study central nervous system infiltration in leukemia. Using murine brain slices injected with B-cell acute lymphoblastic leukemia cells, the model demonstrated how Activin A enhances leukemic cell invasion and suppresses immune response in the brain. This platform offers potential to reduce animal testing and facilitate high-throughput drug screening in CNS cancer research. Diakonos will present new data at ASCO 2025 on Dubodencel, also known as DOC-1021, a dendritic cell-based vaccine for glioblastoma. Results from the Phase 1 trial showed encouraging immune system activation when used as a post-surgery adjuvant. Findings will be shared during the rapid oral session on May 31st at the ASCO annual meeting. Stay ahead in neuroscience research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next time.